Hi there, students. Sanitary, and the opposite, either insanitary or unsanitary. I think they're both possible. Okay, let's see. Sanitary, clean and hygienic, protecting health. So the kitchen did not look very sanitary. Yeah, it looked very insanitary, very dirty, very unhealthy. Okay, you could have a verb to sanitize. To sanitize meaning to get rid of microorganisms, to disinfect. Yeah, you could also actually use to sanitize, meaning to make something more acceptable to the public. So I think when politicians give us bad news, they try to sanitize it as much as they can, or maybe to make a dramatic work more acceptable to the public by taking out things that might be offensive. Yeah, so the censors sanitized the play. Sanitizer. Yeah, you could. I think that they sell hand sanitizer. This is some sort of soap to wash your hands with. Okay, so. Sanitize, the adjective. Sanitary, sanitation. Sanitation is the noun of the quality. This is the hygienic disposal of waste, recycling waste. Yeah, or sanitation, the department of sanitation, the toilets. Yeah, the getting rid of waste water. Let's see, sanitary. You could have, for example, sanitary products for ladies. Yeah, this is what they used during their period. So a sanitary napkin or a sanitary towel. Effectively a Tampax, sanitary protection, disposable sanitary products. In your bathroom you have sanitary fittings. Okay, these are the toilet, the wash basin and the bath or shower. Yeah, these are the sanitary fittings. Okay, so sanitary. There are lots of different branches of this word, but I think they all come down to the same idea. Okay, so something that is sanitary is healthy. Yeah, it's free from pathogens and it doesn't endanger health. Yeah, it's essential that one have sanitary conditions for the preparation of food. Yeah, because insanitary conditions are unhealthy. So sanitary, hygienic, clean, healthy, wholesome, salubrious, germ-free. Yeah. Okay, this water looks very dirty. I'm not sure it's a sanitary place for you to swim. I guess you could have a sanitary engineer. This is somebody who looks at drains and makes sure that drains work. I think maybe a sanitary engineer is possibly a posh word for a plumber as well. The conditions in the refugee camp were very unsanitary. They were very insanitary. They were very unhygienic. Okay, so sanitary, clean, safe for your health, protecting health, yeah, by the removal of dirt waste, but especially human waste. Okay, so sanitary conditions, yeah, if there is sewage, the thing that comes out of the toilet, in drinking water, then this is not sanitary. I think composting is a good sanitary way of getting rid of kitchen waste. Yeah. Sanitary measures. Yeah. Okay, so related to health. Yeah. Okay, the sewers, the drains where the water goes is drained away, the dirty water. Yeah, a sanitary sewer system. Yeah, the disposal of domestic waste in water. Okay, so sanitary, concerned with keeping things clean and healthy, especially by good sewerage and a clean water supply. Yeah. The sanitary conditions in this place are absolutely terrible. Yeah. The house has no sanitary facilities, no toilet, nowhere to wash. Yeah. And that's really rather insanitary. So, formality, sanitary. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5. Sanitation, 6.5. I think informally, clean, healthy, hygienic. Yeah. Use it in a semi-formal writing. I think you could probably just about use it in a semi-formal conversation or something very formal. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin, sanitas, meaning health. Okay, so that's easy. So sanitary, relating to health, clean and hygienic. And remember, sane talks about not mad, insane mad, so don't confuse that one. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sanitary, insanitary, unsanitary, sanitize, sanitation, sanitizer.